Fabulous open floor plan, updated 4-bedroom, 3-bath, detached condo a short distance to the Chesapeake Bay, restaurants and First Landing State Park. With a screened-in back porch, low-maintenance backyard and cathedral ceilings, this home is perfect for entertaining. Condo fees include pool access, front yard landscaping and maintenance, and includes irrigation. The oversized upstairs primary bedroom with jetted tub and walk-in shower overlooks the neighborhood lake. 2 additional spacious upstairs bedrooms and 1 first-floor bedroom all boast natural light. The attached 1-car garage has plenty of storage. Fresh, neutral paint throughout, newer downstairs HVAC, updated appliances, granite countertops and a gas fireplace make this home move-in ready. Call today for your private showing.